Yes, once you pass, it starts back off at the beginning amount. So yeah, 25 starts back at 25, 50 starts back at 50, and you just have to build it up. Yo, hey, I did too. I yellowed mine too. I did the same exact thing. YOLO all day. That's how we get down, baby. Sometimes you got to YOLO them accounts. All right, let me fix my YouTube. Get that set up looking the right way. Yeah, since they had an 80% sale, and I don't really care too much for the 25 because I don't even have any more 25K evaluations. All my evaluations are now the bigger ones because I'm trying to get those bigger ones approved. So when I seen that 25K reset, that I was like, well, I'm either gonna get it approved or I'm gonna blow the account and I'm just gonna cancel it and get rid of it. So I did 2 contracts on the 25K, got it approved. So I was like, all right, I'll keep it. You know, since you want to get approved, I might as well keep you. You know what I'm saying? I don't turn down money. You know, but you already know when you get one approved, make sure you choose the lifetime option. Okay? Because they're going to give you a monthly option and a lifetime option. The price is damn near the same. You know what I'm saying? The lifetime is 100. A monthly is like 85. So you might as well pay for the lifetime. That way you don't have to pay a monthly fee. So be careful with that. Once you pass the eval, make sure you choose lifetime. Yep, lifetime and baby it a little bit. Just a little bit, little baby. Well, I trade the futures market, NC Trouble. So whether it crash or go up, I make money whether the market go up or down. So I have no control over a crash, so it don't really matter to me. Only thing I'm worried about is will I be able to get into the trade on the way down, baby? We try to take it on the way down, down to the ground. Yeah, right. But when it goes up, I'm going to ride the wave to the top. Oh, congratulations. Just started the eval for the top stepper. Big top stepper. We're going to do a cheer for that. Are you long on anything? I didn't already got my long trade today. I'll show you where I traded at too. I'll show you where I got my long trade at. See this area right here? That's where I got my long trade at. I got in right here around 10:20 this morning. And boy, did it go up, up, up and away. Got that big old movement to the tippy top. I got a whole $25,000 trade account that just renewed yesterday, got passed today. Got out halfway through. Hey, as long as we got it in, right? As long as you green, it is all good. As long as it's green, it's all good. Yeah, that pop, boy, did it pop up? It went bananas, and I was right there to catch it. I was like, give me that loot. long as in bag holder. I'm not sure what you mean by bag holder. Different lingo, maybe. Not sure what a bag holder is. But yeah, long in our trade means we bought the market. What was my indicator? I have a zone. I have my zone marked out. This yellow zone right here. And as soon as it dipped down into the zone, I bought the market. I took a little bit of heat, but I don't care about no heat. I knew it wasn't going to be too much heat. I knew it wasn't going to be too much heat. And up and away we went. How did you know it wouldn't dead cat? I have a course that teaches students how to mark off those zones. So my course mhtacademy.com. I teach all that stuff. And I go live in the afternoon to go over the trade review and show people what trades I took. Yep, catching a falling knife is hard if you don't know what you're doing. Just like trying to stop a speeding train on the way up is going to get your ass whooped too if you don't know what you're doing. Nobody wins every time, Cooper. Nobody. If somebody tells you they win every trade, don't trust them. Now, you have great days where you might win every trade that day, but for someone to say they never lost, I don't trust that. Invest in Roblox. Okay, thank you, Flack. All right, Jay. What's going on, man? He said he win every trade. Overall, I do win every day. There hasn't been many days where I was down overall. You know what I'm saying? So there's only been like maybe one day where I was actually red for the day. But if I lose like one or two trades, I still end the day overall green. I only put 50 in stock each payday is what I can afford. Yeah, the trading we do is called the futures market. The futures market, we make money whether it go up or down. You need to learn? Hey, I'm here. I'm here teaching. My course is MHT Academy, right there at the bottom, mhtacademy.com. That is a link to my course. You also get access to my Discord group. You get one-on-one to set up, and we go live on the Saturdays, and I practice with everybody. Oh, appreciate that, Jay. Have you ever blown up an account? I sure have. That's part of the game. You're gonna blow some accounts now. That's just part of the learning. That's why they're called evaluations, because you're evaluating your education and your patience and all that other stuff. But oh boy said, what was my best day I ever had? I don't know. I don't really keep track of the best days because I am very calculated in my trades. And my goal when I trade is to get anywhere between 50 to 150 on my smaller accounts. My bigger accounts, the bigger my cushion, the bigger the target that I try to get per day. So I don't try to make the biggest day ever. I just try to keep my trades consistent, because when you trade with a prop firm, you have a rule called a 30% rule. And if you break that 30% rule, they won't give you a payout. So I've been very consistent to where I get my payouts when I ask, and I've never been turned down a payout because I don't make big trades out of nowhere. Yes, I have 16 accounts now. So I've passed the test several times. Prop firm. I'll show you what a prop firm is. La 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 la. Where do I have a prop firm open? All right, this right here is a prop firm called Apex. Apex is a company that will literally give you a test. They'll say, hey, if you want us to give you $25,000, you have to prove to us that you can make at least 1,500 fake dollars in the market. Once you make 1,500 fake dollars in the market, right here, see? Once you make 1,500 fake, I hate when it moves. Once you make 1,500 fake dollars in the market, they will give you 25,000 to trade with. Now, you can't just withdraw $25,000. That 25,000 is a placeholder so that you can trade. Every penny you make above 25,000 is yours to keep. So if you trade for the first week and you make $3,000, right? So that means at 25, 26, 27, 28, your account is going to show 28,000, but only 3,000 is yours. And you can withdraw that 3,000 when you want to. So that's how prop firms work. Apex is just one prop firm out of many. There's plenty of different prop firms. Apex is just the one that I use. And you can have a 25K, a 50K, a 75K. It goes all the way up to 300,000. Of course, the bigger accounts, the more money you have to make. So if you want to get $300,000, you have to make 20,000 in order to get approved. Sounds stressful? Not at all. It's not stressful because it's not your money. It's not your money. So I'd rather practice and learn with someone else's money instead of my own money, so to speak. You got good news. What's up with the good news? You know, I like good news. Explain that again. Okay, prop firm. If you want to, if say you want to get $25,000 to trade with, right? Apex for like right now is like $30. It'd be $30 per month until you learn to make $1,500. Once you learn how to make 1,500 fake dollars, Apex will give you 25,000 to trade with. Why do they keep scrolling? I hate that. Why do they even put that feature on here? But anyway, once you learn how to make 1,500 of fake dollars, Apex will give you 25,000 to trade with. Now, that 25,000 don't mean you can just take out 25,000 and run off on a plug, okay? You can't run off on a plug. That 25,000 is just a placeholder so that you can trade and make real money. No, if you lose, you don't owe. If you lose, you just try and try again until you get it right. If you only going for 100 with the bot, go ahead and run the trade copier using market orders. Yes, I actually did that today on accident. I ran the bot and I forgot that I had that account connected to 2 other accounts. So, you know, I just ran the bot when the market opened. I clicked the button and I noticed like 3 accounts were trading. I was like, oh, please don't freeze up on me. Please don't freeze up on me. And it didn't freeze up. It did pretty good. It made like 400. It actually made like 400 on 3 of my accounts. And I was like, oh shoot, it didn't freeze. All right, well, I won't do that again. So yeah, I did it once by accident today. But you say if you're only trying to get 100, it works good. How much money can you trade with while paying the 30 a month? If you get a 25K account, you're trading with that 25,000. So you're not putting your own money into the market and trading. You're just buying an account for $30 a month, and it gives you data, and you could go for your evaluation to try to get approved whenever you're ready. If we fail the first, do we give us a chance to try it again for the test? Yeah, if you fail, if you lost, you know, $1,500, when they renew at the next month, when they renew it, they reset your account back to the beginning. So, you know, they'll renew it for you. I'm going to join your academy because I don't even know where to start coming from Forex. Oh, if you're coming from Forex, hey, you get my course, you'll pick it up really fast. You'll pick it up really, and I do a one-on-one, and I help you. I give you a tutorial on how to use NinjaTrader also. So when you buy my course, you get a one-on-one. But yeah, this is a good place to start. My course is built for beginners. And even though you came from Forex, you're not necessarily a beginner, but you're new to trading the futures market and using NinjaTrader. Because NinjaTrader works a little bit different than what was you using? What's a Forex platform? I forgot the name of it, but it does work a little different than that. All right, let's move back up. So if you blow up 25K, you're not on the hook. No, you're not on the hook. If you don't have 25,000 to lose, you only have 1,500 to lose. So they give you a 25,000 as a placeholder, but you can only either make 1,500 to get it approved. But if you lose 1,500, they just tell you to try again. So yeah, you're not on the hook for the 15,000. No. If you lose fake money too, you just lose fake money. They just tell you to start over. Yep, just try again until you get it right. Should I use Python when making a trading bot? I don't know. I don't build bots. I just use other people's bots. I use other people's bots. I don't have time to do that programming. Lakers are going to be unbeatable. All right. I don't really worry about teams that don't make me money. Lakers don't make me no money. I don't even bet. How much do you get at the start before the 25K? You don't get anything. You get 25, you pay $30 a month. You get a 25K account, which also gives you data so you can see the charts move. And you just learn how to trade. I teach you how to trade certain setups, certain strategies, and you just practice those strategies. You will get better at trading. If you have more than one account, how can you separate them so you don't trade them together? You won't trade them together because you have to literally choose which one you want to trade. So you choose account number 1, place a trade. You click the button, you choose account number 2, place a trade. So you won't get them mixed up. I have 16 accounts, so I don't get them mixed up. Yes, sir. It works fine if you do market orders, and yes, 100 depending on how many times you set the DCA. Okay. If you have more than one account, how can you separate the? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, as I said, they're already separated. Yeah, MetaTrader. That's right, MetaTrader. When I traded Forex, it was on MetaTrader 4. You know what I'm saying? MetaTrader 4. I see the best thing about NinjaTrader is you can set an ATM strategy. You can set resting orders and all that stuff. So I like it. It's a lot more user friendly than MetaTrader. Louis Vuitton, no, this is not TradingView. This is NinjaTrader. No, hey Fazzo, if you get the course, I'll do a one-on-one. I'm a NinjaTrader affiliate basically. So they literally gave me a license so that I can teach people. So they gave me a broker. They gave me a broker license and everything just because I do YouTubes showing people how to use NinjaTrader. You want a bot? Oh yeah. I got. If you go to my LinkedIn tab, you scroll down. It's called Gridmaster. So Gridmaster is a bot that I've been using. Thank you, Lock God. This is not a sports live. This is a futures day trading live. So I really have no concern with what Kyrie is doing. But the 25K is fake. Make it make sense. Why would they give away money? They're not giving away money. Oh, believe me, they're not giving away anything. Once you get approved your account and say, I think the amount was 20,000. Once you withdraw $25,000 of real money, they start taking 10% of your profit. They just want to make sure you know how to trade first before they start dipping into your pockets. A lot of validity just hit the market. It's still consolidating to me. That still looks like consolidation to me. Whoa, y'all asking a lot of questions. Hold on, let me back up. Give me some time. Give me some time there. Answer these questions. If you cash out, yes, any money you make in America is gonna get taxed. You can't get away from taxes. Now, there's ways that you can finagle the taxes legally by trading under a LLC. You know what I'm saying? Get you a CPA lawyer that know what he's doing. So there's ways around paying too much in taxes, but you're gonna pay taxes, yes. Oh yeah, I copy trades. I got my copy trader. It's just copy traders are literally cheat codes. How do you get around the day trader rule? What day trader rule are you talking about? What indicators do I use? Like on my screen, you see swings is an indicator that I use. What is it? Timer. I like using the timer. I use pivots. I like using pivots. So swings, pivots, and bar timer are the main ones I use. PDT doesn't apply to futures. Yeah. Tap in with me, man. If you go to my link tree, is the very first tab is my course. My course is only $350. The course is only $350. I think the discount still works. But yeah, I teach people how to trade. I've helped plenty of people learn. Am I going long or short? Oh, I'm done trading for the day. I got all my money. If you do well, why do you sell a course? Why wouldn't I? How else? How else do you learn? You know what I mean? The first person I paid to learn to teach me how to trade, he made good money in the market. You know what I'm saying? Like most people that teach do well. Would you want to learn from somebody that didn't do well in the market? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like it's just another way of teaching people how to make money. There's a reason why they don't teach this in school. There's a reason why they don't teach. Once you learn how to trade, you'll realize why they don't teach this in school. Oh, Fazzo, also my course, I take Afterpay and Klarna. So you can pay just I think it's every 2 weeks or every month. So you don't have to pay all up front. I take Afterpay and Klarna as well. Life with Josh. Come on, you want to be a trader? I got you. I'll show you how to day trade. It's not it's not nearly as hard as people make it. You just can't be hard headed. Oh, you try to jump back in? Yeah, right now, Chris, it's just been consolidating. This whole thing is really just consolidating off of that little level that I got right there. It's just been consolidating. All the movement was this morning. That's why I don't trade that long. When the market opened at 9:30, I move and groove. I shake and move up in there, get my money, slide on out. I smash and grab, get my money, and I'm done. I don't be playing around in this market at all. Sisu, how you doing? Which broker do I use? I use NinjaTrader. How much money do I make daily? It depends on the market. Do you keep your money in there or cash out when you are finished? The way I trade, I take out 50% of what I make that month. So whatever I make that month, I take 50% out because I want my accounts to build and grow. That way I'm not at risk of losing too much money and losing my account. So you just take your time and let it grow. So I take out, so if I make $1,000 in one account, I only take out 500 that month. You don't need startup capital if you want to trade with a prop firm. So with a prop firm, you just pay, like right now, a 25K account is $30 a month while you're learning, taking trades. Once you pass that account, you no longer have to pay monthly. You just pay a one-time activation fee and then it's yours. But yeah, just get a funded account. Don't put your own money in here. A good broker, I use NinjaTrader is what I trade on, and I use Apex as my prop firm. Oh, like, hey, teaching is what I do. My whole family is teachers. My dad, my stepmom, my grandmother, all teachers. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, my course is built for beginners. So I got you. And I practice with my students every Saturday. Every Saturday, I practice on Zoom with my students and answer questions that you might have. What is another good broker? I don't know. All I use is NinjaTrader. Apex, they have wealth charts. Apex just put out wealth charts. I use it. It's okay, but I'm not a fan of wealth charts. Top Step is good. I heard good things about Top Step. Yeah, Apex is an American company. Apex is built in America. How much do you need to stop working and trade full time? Good question. Um, what I needed to stop trading, to stop working, was I needed to average at least 4,000 a month of withdrawal. So I didn't feel comfortable leaving my career until I made at least 4,000 a month trading. But you got to, yeah, you got to be patient. My voice reminds you of Kevin Samuels. Well, if it helps you get my course, come on, get my course. I got you. I got more XRP. Oh, good. That's what's up. Yeah, I like to buy. I buy and hold a lot of shares. So when it comes to the stock market, I buy and share all the time. Every month I buy Nasdaq. I buy shares of Nasdaq. I buy shares of the Dow Jones. I buy shares of S&P, and I also day trade them. I know this is futures, Ross. This is futures. And now I used to trade Forex. Jay, what's going on? Jay Momentum in the building. How'd you do today, man? Yes, I have a daily goal when I trade. That's why when people ask me what's the most I ever made, I don't really have a most I ever made because I have a set amount of money that I like to make. Once I get that money, I'm out of there. I don't sit around in this market all day, talk about how I be in the market all day. You know what I'm saying? No, I get my money and I slide up out of here. I got life to live. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. XRP, yeah, go ahead and snatch it up. How do you buy my course? Just go to mhtacademy.com and it'll be a tab on there that says like, I think it's like get course or buy course. Oh, I haven't looked at my site in a couple days. Hold on. Yeah, but this is what the website looks like. So you just go to the website and it says learn more. It has a little video talking about the trading. And you could just hit enroll today. And you just click enroll today. And it just goes over, you know, the rules of trading and stuff like that. It has the interview that I did with Apex about my withdrawals. So I do take withdrawal from the trade account. Okay, I do get money. Here's other people that I taught how to trade. Now these people right here, these are real people. Okay, these are not fake people. My boy Trevin, we was at the shooting range just the other day. That's his cousin Larry. That's my cousin Lamont, and that is my sister Vita. These are real people. These are not fake people. Okay, these are real results. I taught these people how to trade before I had my course. I taught them how to trade. Oh, did 630 in simulation? That's nice. My goal per day depends on the size of the account. So my newer accounts, I'm just trying to make 200, anywhere between 50 to 200 a day in my smaller accounts. But my accounts that have a little cushion in them, my goal is a little higher. Yeah, Jay, that's what I was showing earlier. That is one of the strategies that I teach in my course, Jay. Look at it right here. That's that strategy right there that I teach in the course. Right here. You see, we blocked out that area. You took a little bit of heat. You took some heat, but look what happened. You took a little bit of heat, but the market got to come down to go up. You took a little bit of heat and then it shot up. This is the level that I teach in the course that you are in, Jay. You in the course, Jay. Jay Momentum. How you not take the momentum? Bitcoin into the pit. hey, that's why I don't really deal too much with cryptocurrency because it's just so easily manipulated. I mean, all of this is manipulated, but cryptocurrency is especially manipulated. Yes, I stay away from day trading crypto. Now I have some crypto that I buy and hold, but I don't day trade crypto. It's just way too volatile. I've been trading I've been in the market and making money since 2015, but I've been doing futures for like the past 4.5 years. But I've been in the market like options, cryptocurrency, Forex, all that stuff. I've been doing that. I've been doing that since 2015. Oh yeah, you took okay, so you did take that bounce off that zone down there. Okay. You took a little bit of heat, but that's taking heat is part of trading. You know what I'm saying? You took a little bit of heat, but when that thing went up, boy, it went bye-bye. And it did it quick. And it was after the 10 o'clock news, because there was news at 10 o'clock. It was the news at 10 o'clock, which pushed the market down a little bit. Well, it pushed it up and it came back down. But this was no news around when this happened. It was no news. It was a smooth buy to market and it shot up. Now, I didn't know that it was going to shoot up like that, but I knew that was a good area to buy. Hey, what's going on, ZK? Gold Cloud in the building. What's going on? Yeah, but that's this level right here is what I teach in my course. And look how the market moved around that level. It literally dipped into it. It dipped its toe in there. It's like I'm gonna dip a toe in there. I said, oh, it's too much heat, and the market ran right back up. I mean, it shot up. This is a 5-minute chart. That's how fast the market moved in 5 minutes. This big old candle is a 5-minute candle. As soon as the market dipped its toe in there, it said, no, I'm going up, baby. And it never came back down. And this yellow line right here is hold on, let me move it up. This yellow line is another area that I place a marker at. Look what happened when the market got to it. It went down a little bit. When it finally crossed it and closed, it came back, it retested and went up. That's another trade that I teach. It's called a retracement. The market went above my level, it closed, and then when it came back to the level, it is a retracement. So resistance turned into support, just like support can turn into resistance. It's just the way the market moves. The market is very calculated, okay? There's not really it looks random, but it's really not random. The market definitely moves in a certain manner. No, it's not like gambling because there's certain rules to the game that you trade. And you know what I'm saying? You take a trade when those opportunities present themselves. Gambling, on the other hand, you're literally rolling the dice hoping that you chose the right way. You know, there's no real education behind it. You know, Russian roulette, you know what I'm saying? Like they spin a ball and you just got to hope it lands somewhere. That's gambling. You just hoping it. You just hope it does something. We don't hope in the market. We look at support and resistance, supply and demand. There's reasons why we take a trade. We don't just, oh, it looks like it's going to go up. Let me roll the dice. No, we don't do that. We trade based on strategies. Exactly. If you know what you're doing, it is not gambling. But the cool thing about the market, it's either going to go up or it's going to go down. So if you don't have any knowledge about the market, you already start with a 50-50 chance. So that in that aspect, Ross, you are correct. Without knowing anything about the market, it's either going to go up or down. It don't go left. It don't go right. It don't go diagonal. It either goes up or down. So you have a 50-50 chance without knowing anything about the market. So the more education you get, that 50-50 goes to 60-40, 70-30. You know what I'm saying? You better your chances the more education you get. But the market is not hard to learn the market. People are just hard-headed and they don't follow the rules. And the futures market, though it looks random, it has rules and it follows those rules very closely. Now, if you follow the rules and you still lose money, don't feel bad because you followed the rules. You know what I'm saying? If you follow the rules and you still lost money, don't feel bad about yourself because you did what you're supposed to do. We can't control what the market does. You can only control what you do. But yeah, but you're right. That's why they say 90% of traders fail, because 90% of traders are hard-headed. If you ask, like I ask traders, you know, who taught you how to trade? They be like, nobody. I taught myself. I watched YouTube videos. Well, that's why 90% fail. Because you're trying to teach yourself. Like, that's crazy. If you want to learn how to have a nice jump shot, you don't teach yourself how to do a jump shot. You get a coach. You get a coach, a shooting coach. Every team has a shooting coach. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you can teach yourself, but when you teach yourself, for one, it takes longer because you have a bigger learning curve when you teach yourself. You pick up bad habits when you teach yourself. You pick up very bad habits when you teach yourself. Okay? Those are the two reasons why I don't recommend teaching yourself. You're going to pick up bad habits, and it's going to take you a lot longer to learn how to trade the market because you're trying to teach yourself and watch a bunch of free videos. Okay? The world don't work like that. Nothing worth it is easy. And if it's free, you might want to be wary. Not saying free is not good. I'm just saying you might want to, give it a side eye, like, free? Why is it free? You know what I'm saying? Like, and then if it don't work out, like, because it was free. What you expect? But there is a difference between a fair price and expensive, okay? Some courses are just really expensive. Sometimes I don't believe that they're worth it, when they're that expensive. But it's up to the person that's teaching the course. Yes, I trade with Apex. Yep. Yeah, you got, if you want to learn how to trade without having a bunch of hiccups, please pay somebody. You ain't got to pay me. I really don't care. Like, the money I make in the market pays for all my bills and takes care of my family. You know what I'm saying? But I just can't offer a free course. You know what I'm saying? Because Teachable, my course is on Teachable. I have to pay every month for Teachable. You know what I'm saying? The marketing costs money, but a percent of my sales in my course go to St. Jude charity. So I give some of the proceeds to charity. Why not Top Step? Because Top Step doesn't allow me to have 20 accounts. It don't let me have 20 accounts, baby. That's the reason why I don't like Top Step. There's nothing wrong with Top Step, except I think they only let you have, 5 accounts, 5 or 8 accounts? Nah, you keep that. You could keep that. I needs me 20. I needs 20 accounts. Because the more the merrier. If I could get me 20 accounts and I could just make me $50 a day with 20 accounts, that is $20,000 a month. I don't have to stress at all. I can lay my head on my pillow and not be stressed out. I can just relax. What y'all know about that? I can lay my head on my pillow and just relax because I don't be stressing about no money, baby. Yeah, that 300K, boy, you could put about 8, 9 contracts and don't have to stress out. But that's the thing. You can have up to 20 accounts, people. Let's do the math. Y'all know I like numbers because I'm a numbers guy. I like numbers, so what? Sue me. I like numbers. Let's do the numbers on it. Okay, let's do the numbers, right? Say, for instance, you have 5 Apex accounts, right? 5 accounts. And say you make $100 a day per account. So times that by 100. That's $500 a day. That's $500 a day. If you have 5 Apex accounts and you just do $100, that's $500 a day. There are 20 days on average per month. So we're going to times that 500 by 20 days. I just showed y'all how to make $10,000 a month with just 5 Apex accounts, baby. 5 Apex accounts. If you get 5 of them approved and you just do $100 a day in each of them, that is $10,000 a month. Now, I recommend taking out half of what you make. Don't take out the whole $10,000. Don't be greedy. Don't take out the whole $10,000 because you want that cushion. You want to have a cushion for the pushing. So if you have a bad day, it don't lose all your money. Okay. So what I do, I take out half. So you want to divide that by 50%. So divide it by half. So now if you just do $100 a day and you take out half, that's $5,000 a month extra on top of your 9 to 5. You're right. They don't teach this in school. I do. So that gives you, that's a $5,000 that you make every month by just doing $100 a day with 5 accounts. That is not stressful at all. You know what I'm saying? 100K accounts are good. I have 150s and 250s. So I'm working on 150 and 250 accounts right now because the Apex is having a sale on the 150s. So the 150, 250, and 300 are discounted. I don't think the 100K is discounted as much. So if you're looking at 100K, you might as well just get a 150 because they're only like $60. You work and barely make 25. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. If you want to learn how to trade in the market, if you already have a job, just learn enough to give yourself a raise. Start there first. Start with making enough money to give yourself a raise. After putting a 2,500 buffer, what do you mean a 2,500 buffer? You don't need a 2,500 buffer to make $100 a day. But that's how you build buffer. If you mean buffer like a cushion, that's how you build your cushion. Whatever you make that month, just take out half of it. Don't take out all of it. Just take out half. You know what I'm saying? So if you're able to build up your account and you make 10,000 that month, just take out 5 of it. Don't take out all 10,000 because you want to build that cushion. But yeah, if you work a 9 to 5 and say you only make $50, all right, let's make it a little easier, right? Say you have 3 accounts and you make $50 a day. So that's $50 times 3 accounts. That's $150 a day, right? If you trade, making $50 a day is not hard whatsoever, right? So you practice, you learn how to make $50 a day. You get 3 accounts, just 3 accounts approved. That's $150 a day. Times that by 20 trade days a month. There you go. You learn how to make an extra $3,000 a month by just doing $50 with 3 accounts. If you already have a job, you just made an extra $1,500 a month. That's good money. Anybody tell you an extra $1,500 is not a lot of money, they're crazy. They're loony. Tell them to go to their job and ask for a $1,500 raise. I guarantee that job will laugh in your face. Most jobs give you a 3% raise a year. 3% a year. That's barely $1,200 a year. But if I could show you how to make $50 a day, that equals $1,000 a month. $50 a day is $1,000 a month. $1,000 a month is $12,000 a year. So if I could show you how to make $12,000 a year, your job ain't even gonna give you no $12,000 raise. So don't tell me $50 a day is not enough. If you have a job, $50 a day is plenty money. That's $12,000 a year. It ain't a job out there that will give you a $12,000 raise a year. They don't even give you 12% raise. They'll give you a 3 to 4% raise a year, guarantee you. Look at the last time you got a raise and tell me how much that was. Norbell, what's going on? How you doing? You know what I'm saying? But I had somebody the other day was like, $100 a day is not a lot of money. To who? To who? Who in this world would say $100 extra a day is not a lot of money? Because I guarantee your job is not going to give you a $100 a day raise. Ain't no damn way. You know what I'm saying? So trust me, $100 a day is good money. That's $24,000 a year. If I teach you how to make $100 a day, that's $24,000 extra a year. So if you already making $40,000 a year, I just showed you how to make $65,000 now. That's some good money. We went from $40,000 to $65,000 a year by just doing damn $100 a day with 1 account. No, I don't teach Forex. I teach futures market. I teach the futures market. But you can use my strategies in Forex. My strategies work in Forex as well. I used to trade Forex, so I know. But yeah, all you do is go to mhtacademy.com, mhtacademy.com, and that's where my course is at. And yes, I do this full time. I do not have a 9 to 5. I do not have a job. No, I do not have a job. But people that I know y'all gonna ask, do you make money doing this? Yes, I make money doing this. I would not be teaching personally. I would not be teaching people if I didn't make money doing this. I have a whole interview. If you go to YouTube, I have a whole interview on Apex's YouTube about the withdrawal, and that was in 2023 that I did that. I did this interview down here. This is the interview right here. It is on YouTube. I did an interview with Apex about the money I withdraw from Apex. And this is the website. This is what you'll see. When you go to mhtacademy.com, has a little video there. Enroll today and get started on your trading career. Y'all stop sitting back waiting for somebody to damn give you $1 million. It's not gonna happen. You got to go get that. Tariffs on China and Canada take place tomorrow. We getting slaughtered again. Hey, look, we can't control that. All we can do is control what we do. And what did I do? I learned how to make money when the market is acting crazy. You got to learn how to move in a room full of vultures. That's all the market. That's all president, government. You got to learn how to move in a room full of vultures, man. Yeah, we start with Forex. Yep. I started with Forex. Yeah, futures are the way to go. I love futures. I don't trade crypto, Forex, options. I don't do none of that anymore. Once I got good with futures, I was like, this is it. This is all I need. Is there any spread gaps in futures? Yeah, we're trading in a gap right now. Look at this big old gap right here. Big old gap. We in the middle of this gap right now. Look at it. Look at this crazy. Look at this gap on a 4-hour. Crazy gap. It ain't no candles in between there. And there's no candles in between here. Big old gap. That's why the market moving the way it's moving. Because it got to fill the gap. It got to fill the gap. That's one of the rules. When you see a gap in the market is like, look, I got to fill that gap. I can't just leave that shit open. I can't just leave that damn gap open. I got to fill it. And look at it. Look, just moseying this little ass on up there. Just mosey on up there. But those are just rules that you learn by trading. Look at this gap. Look at the market. Just got to fill that gap. It got to fill the gap. You ain't just going to make a gap and just be ignored. This is NASDAQ. I love the NASDAQ. I cannot trade the S&P. The S&P just move like molasses. That S&P, I'd be like, Lord, could you hurry up? I'm like, please hurry up, S&P. Now, I buy shares of S&P all the time. Oh, I'm going to buy some S&P, though. Ooh, didn't mean to turn it down. He was just he was singing too loud. Yeah, but I buy, so what I do, I trade the NASDAQ, and when I take a withdrawal from NASDAQ, I use some of that money to buy shares of NASDAQ. I buy shares of the S&P. I buy shares of the Dow Jones. I buy shares of the Russell. I buy shares of Amazon. I buy shares of Nvidia. I use the money that I make day trading, and I buy more shares of the market to hold. I grab them and hold them. I grab them and hold them. Oh yeah, if you're in truck, yeah, look. I left my job in 2021. I quit my job in 2021, and I did not look back. I did not look back. Best decision I ever made. I do not look back on it. Hey, appreciate the roses. I do not look back on it and wish I stayed longer at my job. When it was time to go, it was time to go. You know what I'm saying? And mind you, I stayed at my job for 2 years. I could have been left. I stayed at my job 2 years. You know what I'm saying? And I could have left. I could have left in 2019. I could have left in 2019, but COVID happened. 2018, 2019, COVID happened. So I was like, my job gave me I had a 2014 Toyota Tundra. My job gave us a Tundra. So it didn't have no job markings. It was just a nice all white Tundra, right? So I'm chilling in the Tundra. I was about to quit. So I went out and bought a Mercedes. I bought a used Mercedes because I was like, I'm about to quit this job. So let me get a car so I can get around, because I knew they was going to take the work truck back. Tell me why right after I bought my Mercedes, damn COVID happened. As soon as I bought the Mercedes, COVID happened. Shut it all down. So I stayed with that job for 2 years, all through that COVID mess. And then right in 2021, before COVID was over, I was like, you know what? I make enough money. I could have been quit, but it's time to go. So I went ahead and quit in 2021 when my son was 1 year old. And I've been home with him ever since. I trade the NASDAQ futures bikes. Yeah. I like NASDAQ the most. But I'm learning gold. I'm learning gold and oil. That's what's up. I'll check you out on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. How old am I? I am 43. I'm 43, cuz. I done made it, baby. I done made it. Yeah, all the movement was this morning. In NASDAQ was moving and grooving this morning. And then after it made that meteoric rise to the top, it was just like, all right, I'm done. The market been chilling ever since then. Sisu, we're looking at the futures market. This is the futures market. This is NASDAQ. Yeah, it's just a nice little range. You know what I'm saying? You can make money on the up. When it goes to a certain point, you sell. When it goes down, you buy. Sell, buy, sell, buy. You could have been doing that for the past hour, making bank. You know what I'm saying? If you know what you're looking at, you could have traded the range. You could have just traded the range. To get to a certain height, you sell. It goes a certain level, you buy. But Sisu, come on, buy the class. I got you. My course is right there, mhtacademy.com. I do a one-on-one. You get access to my Discord group. I got you. I'm gonna show you how to get this bag. Don't worry about it. Yep, see, look at Kirk. He said he traded this morning. It was done, okay? We don't sit here all day in the market just, oh, I'm gonna sit here for 6 hours. No, don't sit here for no 6 hours, because the longer you sit here, you're gonna make money, give money, make money, give money, and when I say give, I mean give it back. You're gonna make it and lose it, make it and lose it. You get in there, you get your money, you get the hell on. You know what I'm saying? I was done by like 10:15, 10 o'clock. I got out here, I ran a couple errands, did what I had to do. Now I'm back live with you guys, chilling. Oh, damn! I didn't even show the profits yet. Come on, where's my mouse at? I'll share my profits. I'll share my profits so y'all. Oh, that ain't my profits. That ain't my profits. That was not my profits. We keep it honest around here, okay? We keep it honest around here. Well, where's my profits? I said it right here. Tariffs equals terrific. So that's what I did. Well, that ain't what I did today. Hold on. Here we are. This is what I did today. Need me to blow that up? This is what I did today. Now, the first two are evals. The first two are evaluations. No, first three. The first three are evaluations. The rest are my PAs. I have 16 PAs. And I only traded 14 of the 16. You know what I'm saying? So that's the value of having multiple accounts. That's why I like Apex, because with Apex, I can have up to 20 accounts. When you have up to 20 accounts, you don't have to make a bunch of money per account. You could just do 50, 60, 70, 100, 200 per account and be done. I can make $100 a day fairly quick. So you don't have to stress yourself out. And I'm telling you guys, the group that I trade with every day, we do numbers. But yeah, we do good numbers. And all my students, we will get to this level. The students will get to this level once my students get good with trading. Once my students get approved their trade accounts and they're ready to trade with the rest of the group that I'm in, then they get the invite to trade with the group. But I don't control that price. Okay. The guy that runs the trade room that we all trade with, he only charges $300 monthly. His group is $300 a month. But when I tell you, you'll make more than $300 a day. It's a great group of people, guys and women. We have fun and we learn every single day. But with my course, I'm going to teach you how to trade and understand what you're doing in the market. And then when you feel as though, hey, look, I'm at an area where I'm ready to learn more. All right, then I get you the invite to trade in the group with us. So that's why I don't have a live trading session with my students every day, because I'm in that group trading with those guys. Oh, you see them live this morning? Yeah, and that's why I was like, you got to learn this first, because once you get in his group, there's so many levels and lines and indicators, you know what I'm saying, and zones, and you be like, what is going on in here? So we don't want you paying $300 a month and you're still trying to figure it out. We ain't got time to be trying to figure it out when you kicking out $300 a month. You know what I'm saying? But once you get good with what I teach and you get comfortable, it's almost like a shoe-in. I know ICT, but we don't need that. Yeah, I've heard the ICT, but I never really learned what it is. People ask me, you know, were you taught by ICT? And I was like, I don't even know who the hell that is. But apparently it's popular because a lot of people talk about it. But yeah, my first couple instructors, I don't know what. Janetta, what's going on? How you doing? How'd you do today? Let me give a cheer to all my students that are in here. All my students are in the building. Let's give a clap. Give a round of applause. Give a round of applause for all the students in the building. How y'all doing? Look, honestly, based on what I teach in the course and what John teach, really, that's all. That's all you need. You don't need to fill your head with a whole bunch of millions of strategies and all these people who got strategies. Between what I teach and what John teach, like you'll be good. Yep, focus on one strategy and whoop its ass. Yep, yep. Oh, you traded M&Q in your PA. Nice. How did you do? Pretty good. I love M&Q. When you get a new account, M&Q is the way to go. I actually passed a 25K in one day. I had an old 25K account that renewed yesterday. So when it renewed yesterday, I was like, I'm gonna see if I can get this approved in one day. Sure enough, took a trade, got it approved, got up out of there. So tonight I'm gonna activate another one. That brings me to 16 accounts. I gotta count. I gotta count again. You made about 251 in micros? Nice. That is outstanding. Let's put a cheer for that. Cheers to the rock. We got to put a cheer for that. That is outstanding. When I trade micros, I trade with about 8 micros. I do anywhere between 4 to 8 micros every trade. Oh, you did the 8 contracts? that 8 contracts ain't no joke, boy. That 8 contracts on micros be hitting. You get in a good trade, man, that thing be like cha-ching, cha-ching, just be rolling the tongue. Yeah, that 8 contract strategy is no joke. I love it. I actually took it in minis. I took it one time in minis on well, not one time, today. I took it once and I did it on this account right here. That account that's 28, the 28.5. I did that on with the 8 contracts in minis. I did 8 contracts in minis on a 250K account. That was on a 250K account. So yeah, them 8 contracts be killing it, boy. Oh, can I say that word? They be tearing it up. Yeah, that cash register sound, that cha-ching, cha-ching, makes it's just a lovely sound. Steve, yeah, late to the party, yeah. So Steve, I seen your picture, man. You were the Army or Air Force? Don't worry, I'm here till like 3. I'm here chilling. I don't have to get my son till 3, so I'm gonna be chilling till 3. I done already had me a good lunch. You know what I'm saying? QQQ, yeah. What about QQQ? I like it. I like QQQ. I definitely buy shares of QQQ. Oh, those are your twin sons. Oh, okay. Okay. You're a twin son. Oh, awesome having twin sons. Man, how was that? Well, I'm ex Air Force too. That's why I asked. I seen the picture, but I couldn't really tell if it was Army or Air Force. But that's awesome. Air Force. That's what's up. Well, if you're thinking about getting the course, Steve, let me know when you're ready to get it. I'll send you a special discount because your son was in Air Force. Because I'm Air Force, I'm ex Air Force, love it. I use that bot on my other Apex eval account. It went to 6K and then down to. You went up 6K and kept trading? Why'd you keep trading? Oh, of course, Kirk, man. Check you later, man. Make sure you follow me. Man, it was up 6K on a bot. That is outstanding. That bot is no joke. Hey, on my accounts, what I do with the bot, when the market first opens, I set it for like $400. I just set it for $400. And I go down the line on all my evals. I just go to eval 1, click the bot. Eval 2, click the bot. Eval 3, click the bot. And it just be like 500, 500, 500, 500. I just go down the line. And then when I get to my evals, when I get to my PAs, I go to micros and I put micros on like 50, 60 bucks. And I go down my micro, I go down my PAs and I just say a PA1, bot, PA2, bot, PA3, and just get 50, 50, 50, 50. And then I manually trade after that. So I manually trade after I use the bot on everything. I did 6 years. I did 6 years and 4 tours. Yeah, it is fast. You gotta be quick draw McGraw with that bot sometime. Like today, my one of the trades were up like 700, but by the time I closed it out, it was down to 500. I'm talking about within seconds. The chart was already up, but by the time I clicked the button, it went from like 800 to 500. I was like, it's still 500. What do you like trading? I'm a NASDAQ. I'm NASDAQ all day, baby. Yeah, hey, look, when if I put account number one with the bot, I will put my chart on account number one so that I can see it trade. That way, if it goes a little hectic, I can go ahead and hit close on my chart. So whatever account that I'm running the bot on, I'll pull up the chart so I can see it. That's why if it goes crazy, I can just easily close it out. Or if it makes enough money, I can close it out. So that's my strategy. I'll actually have the chart open to that. So that's how I keep it. Yeah, not even all day. Not even all day. I play the NAS up and down for about a good 30 minutes and I'm done. I do about a good 30 minutes and I'm done. I don't be in here all day. I'll show you what I did today. This is what I did today, Steve. This was done today. I have 15 accounts. The first 3 are evaluations. No, hold on. That's not the final. My bad. This is this is not the final. This is the final. My bad. This is the final right here. So the first 4 are evals. The first 4 are evaluations. The rest of them are my actual accounts. It does follow the cutoff, but sometimes the market moves too fast for it to react to the cutoff. You know what I'm saying? So the cutoff, you put a cutoff on there, and it normally does stop at the cutoff. But if the market is moving too fast, it will go past your cutoff. Just like sometimes it'll go past the target. Sometimes it'll go past the target, so you got to be ready to stop it. Oh, yeah, I'm telling. Hey, look, Steve. When I tell you we trade, we trade. I'm gonna show you how much money the instructor of my course, not my course, but the trade room. It's John Trade Room. I'll show you how much John did today. This is what John did today. Y'all think I did something. This is what John did today. This is what John did today. We get money. We get money in this group. The show. We get to the bag in the group. That's who I follow. Y'all follow me, I follow him. What John did was all manual trades. John is who runs the trade room that I trade with every morning. Yeah. Chris has seen him clear 30K in a day. So that's the level I'm trying to get to. My course is for beginners. I'm trying to teach you how to get to where I'm at. Once you feel comfortable, you're like, you know what? I'm ready to step my game up, Will. I done got my money. Your class taught me how to get some accounts approved. I'm getting some money. Let's move on up. Then you get the invite to be in the group with us every morning, Monday through Friday. And he teaches you other things in the market that's far more advanced than beginner. And he teaches you how to get the bags that I'm getting now and the bags that he's getting. I'm trying to get there. What's going on, day trader? What's up? Yeah, but once you get in a group with us where we trade Monday through Friday, you be like, man, I ain't even know you can make this kind of money in a day. You just can't have no fear. You cannot be scared of this market. This market is a chump. It ain't nothing to be scared of, people. It ain't nothing to be scared of. If you don't follow the rules, the market will tap that. The market will bust you in the head. But it's nothing to be scared of. You know what I'm saying? I get in this market every day and whoop its ass. and Chris, that's all right. That's all right. You're gonna have days when you're a little hesitant to get in the market, but the days that you are scared, just trade simulation. Still trade, but just go in simulation. Yeah, that's cool. I know you're a good trader, and you're only get better. You're only gonna get better. today I understand why you were a little hesitant today, because it was a crazy gap in the market. You know what I'm saying? But you're a good trader and you will get better as you go. You know what I'm saying? But just on days that you don't feel like trading your eval or your PA, at least trade simulation, because it's simulation. Yeah, but we made some good money today. And with my students, once y'all get comfortable, I invite you to the group with the rest of the traders. And John is just one of that is his room, but we got Dan in there. We got a couple other people that are also really good traders. So it's not just one person, and you got to depend 100% on the call that one person makes. Like Dan, I want to say Dan does gold. He trades gold. We got another guy in there that trades oil. So you can learn to trade gold and oil in the group that I'm in. Why sometimes my candles don't move in my tabs? Don't move with your tab. I don't know. Is it set? It should move if you, as long as you're logged in, they should move. But depending on how big your tabs are, they might just be bigger tabs and can't see the movement. Might have to zoom in. If we have to, we could do a live Zoom and I could look at it for you. Massive, this is NinjaTrader. I trade off a NinjaTrader, and I enjoy it. It's very user-friendly to me, at least. And I am a vendor. I'm a vendor for NinjaTrader, so I do teach people how to use NinjaTrader as well. When you join my class and you purchase my course, I do a one-on-one with you and help you download everything and set it all up. Yes. So the way you do it, Chris, when you get approved your trade account, when you pass your eval, it will ask for a tax ID or a social. Just type in your tax ID. Oh, that's all you got to do. Just type in your tax ID. And when you set up your bank account, make sure you set up your business account. So every time you ask for a withdrawal, it sends it to your business account. Yeah, but we trade in here, buddy. I teach people how to trade. I teach people how to be consistent with trading and how to build confidence. You know, how to build discipline in your trade. You sure can. Yeah, I got 15, 16 accounts. You know what I'm saying? So I go down the line. I'm like, give me 500 from this one. Give me 1,000 from this one. Give me 500 from this one. Give me 2,000 from that one. I just go down the line and type in the amount per account that I want to take out, and then execute. A couple days later, you know, 5, 10, 15 bands in my account. No, you don't have to do that beforehand. Is within the same year. So if you buy my course and you set up your LLC a month from now, it doesn't matter. As long as you set up an LLC, that's what's really important. So you can only pay out twice a month. No, now with Apex, you can request a payout every 8 days, every 8 trading days. So you have to trade for 8 days, you could get a withdrawal. Trade for 8 days, get a withdrawal. So it don't have to be 8 days in a row. It could be any combination of 8 days. Yeah, but as long as you set up your LLC this year, my course is a write-off. Apex accounts are a write-off. If you choose to go to VPS, the VPS monthly charge is a write-off. All that's everything that you spend, the bot. If you decide to buy the bot that I have, it's a write-off. The bot is a write-off. So the bot right now is like 2,500. You could write off 1% of that money that you spent for the bot. You know what I'm saying? And in my course, I have a whole video explaining all the write-offs. There's over 200 and something write-offs that you can get just by being a day trader under a LLC. You build a trust, build your family trust or revocable trust. Look, I'm serious. I got books and everything. You know what I'm saying? I bought this book. You know what I'm saying? Your Guide to Revocable Trust. Y'all better learn about this trust. Yeah, you have to trade for 8 days to get a payout. So you have to trade for 8 days and you have to make, of course, a certain amount. So if you got to make 1,500 to get a payout, you make that 1,500 within 8 days or more, you get a payout. The VPS is, so what you're looking at right here is my VPS. So if I drop this down, you see all that blue background? This is the bot that I use. This is the bot that I use. But this right here is my VPS, right? So you got the little stuff on the side. So that's my VPS. Now, my actual computer is right here. So this is my actual computer. So the VPS is just a remote laptop that's connected to a data center where you can basically trade without having to buy a gaming level laptop. You can just trade under a VPS, and the settings on the VPS are built just like a trading laptop. Yep, it's a virtual desktop. Yep. And that's why I can run 15 plus accounts, because I'm trading off of a VPS that is built like a gaming computer. Yeah, meaning faster. Yep. It's much faster. Not only is it faster, but it has the processing speed on it is fast, and the RAM on there. So when you're running a bunch of stuff at one time, it doesn't slow down or start getting choppy or freeze up on you, which we all know freezing up is a bad situation when you're trading. That market freeze up on you, that money could go up or down. You can't even do nothing about it. So I trade with a VPS instead of using my laptop. And even though my laptop is a pretty good laptop, the other plus about having a VPS is the VPS has its own internet speed. So if you have internet that's good enough to log in, the internet speed that's on the VPS is the same speed no matter what. So when I travel out of town, like I'm going to Puerto Rico this year, I'm going to Vegas in May, and we're going to Japan. I could bring my little cheapy laptop and I can still log in to my VPS and trade, and it looks just like this. Nothing is the same thing. I can use my cheap laptop to log into and trade. So that's why I like the VPS, because it's just more versatile. And also the other cool thing about having a VPS is I can go on my phone and connect my VPS to my phone. And see, I now have my whole chart on my phone. So if the chart that you're looking at, I can zoom in. I can zoom in, I can see the same chart that you're looking at right now from my phone. Yeah, I do enjoy teaching, I really do. I really do. But yeah, with a VPS, you can put it on your phone, and I can see my trades. I can take a trade. You can put it on the tablet. You can see the trade. I'll show you what I think I have it connected to my tablet too. Move the chart over to what? What do you want to move it over? Move it over which way? Which way? This way? That way? Which way you want to move it over to? Do you want to see the past? What you trying to see? Yeah, so see, so if you're in a hurry, if you're on a run, you can also log into your VPS with the tablet. So I can actually take trades off of this tablet if I wanted to. So if I'm traveling and I don't want to miss the market, I can literally go on here and take a trade if I want to. Watch this. It's in simulation, like it's in simulation right now, right? I can go in here and I can buy the market. See that? I just bought the market from my tablet, and y'all seen it right here. Look at that. I'm up $60. I'm up $60, and I took that trade from my tablet. Look at that. We up $80, y'all. Look at that. Making money. But yeah, you can trade from here. But this is just a sim trade. I was just showing you how I can trade from my tablet if I needed to. So yeah, that's why I like the VPS. Because if you don't have a VPS, you can't do that. So yeah. Yeah, it makes it right. It makes it cool. You know what I'm saying? So when I travel out of town or whatever, I can, if I want to, I could just take my tablet and be just fine with my tablet. Because they got little mouses that you can use with a tablet. I actually have a little mouse. Where the hell my little mouse? It's somewhere up here. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I got a little mouse that I could use with my tablet if I want to use my tablet. She put a little rainbow. The more you know. I like that. The more you know. Yeah, I like having a VPS. But it's mostly because when you have a bunch of accounts, it just runs a lot smoother on a VPS as well. Let me check. I had a text message. This one company called Trade Algo, they keep calling me because they want me to test out their algorithm. I'm like, bro, I'll get to it. I'll get to it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got time. I just don't have the time to test out your little algorithm, buddy. Well, yeah, I'll be having people hit me up all the time about testing stuff. I'm gonna get to it. I just be busy sometimes. I just be busy sometimes. But sometimes I just don't feel like dealing with the market, to be honest with you. I just don't feel like being in the market. But yeah, this trade was just a random trade, okay? Do not follow this trade. I was just showing y'all how I can trade from my tablet, and I wanted y'all to see what it looked like. Don't be on here taking these crazy trades. This was not a trade I would recommend. I mean, it still made money already, but it was just a random trade. Well, he be singing in there, boy. That boy be singing. Yeah, but I got all types of little gadgets. I got tablets here. I actually have a tablet stand, which is pretty cool looking. See, look, my tablet, I don't know if you can see it, but my tablet is on a tablet stand. And I got this free. I got this stand for free because I'm a TikTok affiliate. So because I'm a TikTok affiliate, they sent me this for free. I'm gonna do a video. All I gotta do is I gotta do a video on it. But they sent me this for free, and all I gotta do is a video. It works off of ticks. So instead of pips, it's called ticks. But same concept, yes. Watch The Voice tonight on NBC. Yeah, but I get all types of cool free stuff from TikTok Shop. Because they see how many followers I got, and they're like, hey, we'll give you this for free if you shoot a little video for us. I'm like, you know what? Go ahead and give me that for free. I'll use it. They be trying to send me stuff that I don't use though. They be like, hey, we'll send you this free makeup bag. I'm like, what am I gonna do with a makeup bag? You don't get out my inbox. I don't want no damn makeup bag. Hey, we give you this free bikini if you shoot a video. Like, no, I'm good on the bikini, ma'am. But if they send me something that I like, hey, you want to use this stand? What's the other thing that I got? Hey, I don't know where is that. I don't even know where is that no more. But it's one of those little things that move around and move and pivot with you. I got one of those for free. I just haven't used it in a while. But yeah, I got that for free as well. I be getting all types of free stuff. But that's just from being an affiliate. I also teach, for those that don't know, I do teach people how to be affiliate marketers. I sell a product called Digital Boss Academy that shows you how to do so many other things. It's crazy how much stuff it shows you. But that's just, I like making money. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what to tell you. I like making money in the market. I like making money selling digital products. I like making money in real estate. Like, people think just because you make good money in one thing, you can't do other things, or you must not be making good money in one thing if you got to do so many other things. No, I just like making money. At the end of the day, I just like making money, people. You know what I'm saying? My wife wanted a 2024 Jeep Wrangler. Them shits ain't cheap. They're not cheap. So guess what? Guess what I got to do? I got to make money so the wife can get her Jeep Wrangler. So she got her Jeep Wrangler. She drive it everywhere. Wherever she go, it goes. She don't even get in my car. I'm like, hey, we about to go somewhere. She be like, I'll follow you. I'll follow you in my Jeep. I'm like, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just like making money. So I do what I need to do to make money. And if you want to learn every way I make money, look, I'll teach you every way I make money. I pay the same things that I paid for. I'll show you what I paid for. You know what I'm saying? That's just part of wealth. If you want to build wealth, it's going to take money. Nobody builds wealth for free. There's no such thing as that. There's no such thing as making money for free. You got to buy something. You may not have to buy a lot, but you're going to buy something. But yeah, y'all can't be scared. If you don't want to learn how to trade, I can show you how to be an affiliate marketer. I can show you a course that's going to show you that's going to teach you how to build an online brand, how to monetize YouTube, how to monetize all your social media. Okay. Last year, I cleared over 33,000 in just affiliate marketing, just doing affiliate marketing. So I think I'm a pretty good teacher if you want to learn how to make money in affiliate marketing. You know, in real estate, I average about 1 to 2 homes a year that I flip in real estate. You know, 2024 I only did one property, only because I just didn't feel like it. I just didn't feel like it. But this year I want to get at least 4 properties purchased, renovated, flipped. At least 4. At least 4. Because the properties that I be finding, them properties that I find, I'll probably buy it. It probably take a good 6 weeks to really renovate it, and it probably take another month and a half to sell it. You know what I'm saying? So you're looking at about 4 months. You're looking at about 3-4 months, and I'll sell with a $20 to $60, $70,000 profit. You know what I'm saying? So flipping houses is still fun. You know what I'm saying? It's just certain things you got to do to get there. You know? But yeah, look at that. Look at the market. Look at the market go up. Look at that. It is trying to fill this gap. Boy, it's trying to fill it. You could have just bought the market and just sat back and chilled. Buy the market with one micro and just see what happens. Because there's really nothing that's going to stop it from going up. There's really nothing to stop it. It's really no telling how long the run is going to last. But I would look at getting out. Excuse me. I would, if you take the long, I would think about getting out around this level up here. You know what I'm saying? And the reason why I say that is because that's how big that gap was that jumped down. So the market really has nothing stopping it until it gets up here. So I will look to get out. If you want to go long, I will look to get out around the top of that gap. I know that much. But once again, this is not trade advice. This is just what I would do. Because I called that earlier. This is the trade that I took today. I took this right here. And yes, I had it marked off since last week. I had this, I mean, since earlier today, not last week, but since earlier today, I marked this off this morning. So I knew if it came back to this little shaded area, it's going to be a real, I ain't going to say I knew. I knew that there was a big chance it will go up from this level. And sure enough, look at how it did. It dipped a little toe in that mug. It dipped a little toe. I was like, oh shit, it's cold. And shot up. And you could have made money on the rise all the way up here. Mind you, this is thousands of dollars. This ain't no little movement. This is thousands of dollars. Matter of fact, I'm going to tell you how many thousands. I'm going to tell you how many thousands. Let's pull up the calculator, shall we? All right. From here, say you got it at the bottom of this. That's 1117. And say you got out just at this cabinet, 1117 to 392. All right. So we go, so we got 392 as the highest. 392 minus 1117. No, 117, my bad. And let me check and make sure. So we're going to go to the, with 333. Let's go to 333. And the low was, oh, yeah, we do got to go to 1 because that's a whole nother number. Yep, 333. And it'll go 117. 333 and 117. That's what we're going to do the math for. So 333 minus 117 equals 216. That's 216 points, mind you. All right? That's 216 points. There's 4 ticks in between every point. So times that by 4. You get 864 ticks, okay? The NASDAQ is $5 per tick. So we want to times that 864 by 5. That one movement was $4,320 with one contract. If you did one contract and you bought the market and just stayed in it for 5, maybe 6 minutes, you would have made $4,320 estimated with one contract. That little shaded area down there, I teach that in my course. Y'all can say it's real, you can say it's fake, you can say it's hard, you can say the market is hard to learn, you can say whatever you want to say. My students know I teach that and it works. I'm not saying everything that I teach is 100% because nothing in this world is 100% except you meet in the grave. That's the only thing that's 100% is we gonna all end up in the grave at some point. But the way I trade, the strategies that I teach, they are very consistent. And if you did one contract, that little movement that I do teach in my course would have made you 4,000. And that's if you stayed in the trade the whole time. You could have just got you 1,000. You could have got you 800. You could have got you 200. You still would have been green no matter how you look at it. You would have been green. It only took a little bit of heat. It only went against you just a little bit. And then it turned up and went all the way up. There's a lot of money in here every day. And I say thousands because I'm basing it off of what I teach and how many contracts I recommend. But yes, people made millions. People in general made millions. Market makers made millions. Some of those big companies make millions. So when people are like, oh, the stock market is going to crash, you don't understand money. That's why you think a crash is a bad thing, because you don't understand money. If I can make money on the way down, you think those billionaires and millionaires aren't making money on the way down too? You think they give a damn about a crash? Them mugs hope it crash. Please crash, because they're going to make money on, they're going to make millions and billions on the way down. They're going to make millions and billions on the way up. If you think a crash is a bad thing, you don't understand money. I guarantee you. I guarantee you that. People make money whether the market go up or down. It does not matter. It's just most people have an understanding about the market. The market go down, you lose money. The market go up, you make money. That's not true 100% across the board. Yes, if you buy stocks and the market go down, yes, that stock loses value. But a lot of times when the market goes down, it's just getting the steam needed to go even higher than it did last time. Because let's admit it, no stock makes money unless it goes up. But it's always going to be, it's called a pullback. It's called a retracement. The market has to go down to go up. You know what I'm saying? Y'all heard of what goes up must come down? The market is similar, but opposite. It comes down so that it can continue higher. Very few stocks just go down, 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 down. They won't be a stock much longer. You know what I'm saying? The company's going to crash. They're going to pull chalks. They're going to be up out of there. But the average movement of most stocks, it comes down, the dip. You buy the dip, it goes up. Bull, bear, don't care. Yes, we make money either way. What will make you close out the contract? I teach people to have a target. So have a target every day. So say your target is 200. Once you get your 200, get up out of there. Once you start worrying about how much money you could have made instead of just celebrating how much money you did make, that's when you start being greedy. Oh, I'm gonna stay in the trade a little bit longer, when you don't have the knowledge yet to know when to necessarily get out of the market. You have to learn a little bit more before you start being able to tell when to get out, so to speak. You know what I mean? You'll learn that as you trade. You'll learn your patience and how to sit into a trade a little bit longer and see how the market moves, and you'll be able to see where's a good area to get out of the market. Because y'all see that, you see this yellow line. Y'all see the yellow line that I have here. That's why I marked it to that yellow line, because if I took, well, I did take this trade, but I got out right here. So let me mark it for you. Even me, with my education and the fact that I teach, I still got out. When I took that trade today, I took that trade, I got in right here. I got out right here. I got out right there. I got out right there. You know what I'm saying? Because not only did that level get my account approved, I got a whole 25K account approved in one movement. Okay. I also took trades with other accounts at that same area, and I got out. I got out, all of my trades got out at this same spot right here. I didn't care where it went after that. I don't care where it went after that. Will got his money. Will got his bag and got the hell on. You know what I'm saying? That's all that matters. You close it out green. I don't care if it's $20 green. Is it green? All right then. Celebrate. Celebrate. Because once you start worrying about what other people eat, you'll realize what other people eat is not gonna make you shit. When I say that, meaning it ain't gonna make you no money worry about what they eat, and it's also not gonna make you pass it through. So stop worrying about what other people got. You just worry about what you can get. Get your bag, get out. Be consistent. The rule here is consistency, not how much money you can make. Okay? When you go to the gym, you don't just bench press your max every time you go to the gym, do you? You know what I'm saying? You don't go to the gym Monday through Friday and be like, I'm gonna max it out. One time, done. No, what can you do consistently? All right, I could do about 200 pounds, 10 times, 3 sets. Bop, bop. All right, I'm done. I'm out. I'm out of the gym. I got my workout in. I'm out. You don't go to the gym and be like, all right, let me see the most I can do. And put it back down. I'm out. That's not gonna help you do nothing. So don't get in the market worry about what's the most I can do every day. Keep it focused, understanding, hey, look, I'm just trying to get in, get my money, and be done. How much money do you need per month extra? Do you have a 9-to-5? Are you trying to make an extra $2,000 a month? Okay, do the math. All right, $2,000 a month. All right, I just need to do $100 a day. If I do 100 a day, that is $1,000 extra per month. Find out what you need to make and make that and get out. Because the more you do that, the more consistent you are, you're going to make more money. You're going to make more money. That's not a problem. We just need to learn how to be consistent first. Once you learn how to be consistent, you learn how to build upon that consistency. If you make 100 every trade, all right, try to get 150 every trade. All right, we got 150. Okay, let's chill here for a little bit. Now let's see if we can get 250. All right, boom. We made 10 trades and got 250 trade. Look, Jeanette, she's up 326 on her PA. What? 326 on the PA. Look here. Jeanette's a student. Jeanette is a student. 326 on a PA. That's good money. That is lovely. Now we just got to be consistent. Let's be consistent getting that money. And once you get that consistent, look, man, if you can consistently do 200 a day, bro, that's 4,000 a month. If you can consistently do 200 a day, meaning some days going to be more, some days going to be less, but if you can be consistent and make 200 a day, that is 4,000 a month with just one account. Just one account. You can have 20 of them. Come on, people, do the math. Do the math. If you can consistently do 200 a day with one account, that is 4,000 a month off of one account. Now imagine, let's do the math because I'm a math person. I just showed you how to make 4,000 a month with one account. Imagine if you had 5 accounts and did 200 a day times 5 accounts. Now you making 20,000 a month. Let me scoot in. Let me get a little closer to you. I just showed you how to make 20,000 a month. $200 a day is not that hard, people. $200 a day is not that hard. If you have 5 accounts, 4 accounts, 3 accounts, and you can make 4,000 a month, you can quit your job, right? Am I not mistaken? You can quit your job if you consistently make 4,000 a month with 3 accounts. I think I quit my job. Matter of fact, I don't have a job because I did quit my job. I did quit my job. I trade 100%. I don't have a 9-to-5. Okay? I don't have anybody telling me when to be somewhere and when not to be somewhere. Yeah, Davis, yeah. You can have 20 of them. Let's do the math on 20. Oh, this is going to blow your mind. If I could teach you how to make just $100 a day, y'all see that little sample trade I did was made like what, 130 in no time. If I could show you how to make $100 a day, times that by 20 accounts. Let's do that. Times that by 20 accounts. That's 2,000 a day. Times that by 20 trade days a month. That's 40,000 a month. That's 40,000 a month. If I could show you how to do $100 a day times 20 accounts, that is 40,000 a month. But remember, I told you only take out half of that. So you divide that by 2. Oh my God. You can only make 20,000. Come on, people. Yes, yes, I do. Yep. I am a veteran. I deserve that. Maybe I deserve it. No, this isn't options. This is the futures market, the beautiful futures market, which I love so dearly. Once I learned how to trade the futures market, I no longer did anything else. Well, come on over, lovely. I got you right there. MHTacademy.com. MHTacademy.com. I teach people how to do this. Ask Janetta. Ask Janetta how great the course is. J Momentum. Ask J Momentum if he likes the course. I teach y'all how to get to the bag now. That first 25K rule with Apex, is that per? Yeah, that is per account, baby. 25K per account. Yes, that's why I tell people to build that buffer, build that cushion in their account. Because even if I have a bad trading month, I can still get a withdrawal because I have a nice cushion in my account. So even if I have a bad day, a bad week, I can still get a withdrawal because I have a cushion. Yeah, so Janetta, this is my plan. This is my overall plan, right? I want to get 20 accounts, right? So say, let's do the math. This is my goal, right? I want to get 20 accounts, right? I want to be able to withdraw 3,000 a month per account. So that means I have to make 6,000 a month per account. Okay. Well, let me delete this. Right. I want to get to the point where I can withdraw 3,000 a month per account. So that's 20,000. That's 20 accounts times $3,000. Yeah. That is my goal. That is my goal. My goal is to have 20 accounts and be able to withdraw 3,000 a month per account. That means I have to make 6,000 per account per month in order to withdraw 3,000. But here's the kicker though. All right, we're up to $60,000 per month. Okay? Times that by 12. Times that by 12 months in a year. I want 720,000 a year. That's what I want. Not what I need. That's what I want. But it's not over. That's not it. That's not it. Mind you, 3,000 a month is half. So if I withdraw 720,000 that year, how much do you think is left in my accounts at the end of that year? If I only took out half and cleared 720,000, that means there's another 720,000 sitting in my accounts as a cushion. That's what I want. That's what I want. So that 720 that I took out throughout the year, at the end of the year, I could take out another 700,000 without even blinking an eye. I'm taking out another, and I'll leave 20,000 left. I'll leave a 20,000 cushion in there. But when I get to the point where I can withdraw 3,000 a month per account, the end of that year, I'm going to take out a nice chunk at the end of the year on top of that. You know what I'm saying? I just got approved another account today. I just got approved another account today. I'm at 16. I'm trying to get to 20. I'm not that far from it. You can do the same exact thing. It is nothing special about what I do. I'm just a numbers person. I wrote down what I plan to do. I wrote down how I'm going to do it, and I do it. Take action. You know what I'm saying? I have a couple people that take action. They're my students now. They took action. They learned. They bought the course. They are actively trading every day. What do you need to qualify for a second account? The same thing you did with the first account. If you got a 25K account, you just got to make $1,500 to prove that you can trade, and they will give you a trade account. And you can have 20 of them. So what I tell my students, you can start with one account, get that approved. Once you get that account approved, they are no longer charging you every month. It's approved, it's yours. Go ahead and get you another 1 or 2 evals, trade those evals, trade your PA account, make your money, trade your evals. Once you pass those evals, now you got 3 evals. You got 3 evals passed. So now you have 3 PA accounts that are real money. Baby those accounts, go ahead and get you 2, 3 more evaluations and trade those. That's it. You just wash and repeat. Wash and repeat. This is NinjaTrader. This is NinjaTrader. And that's just my goal. You don't have to have a big goal of 720,000, right? As a beginner, you could just go and make $100 a day. $100 a day. As you get more, it'll probably take you a good year and a half to get 20 accounts, honestly. Could I do that on BYD? I don't know what that is. I don't know what BYD is. But say you just want to make $100, right? $100 a day times 20 accounts. No, let's do 10. 100 a day times 10 accounts. 1,000 a day. There's 20 trade days a month. So times that by 20 trade days. You're making $20,000. Divide that by 2 because you're taking out half. Okay, you're making $10,000 per month. Withdrawn. Times that by 12 months because there's 12 months in a year. You're making $120,000 by just making $100 a day. That's it. And once you hit that year mark and you make you took out $120,000, you still have $120,000 in your PA accounts, chilling, that you can also take out. If you don't have experience trading, do you recommend futures? My course is for beginners. My course is built for beginners to teach you how to trade the futures market as a beginner. So you don't need experience in nothing else. Not only do I do a one-on-one and help you set it all up, but you get access to my Discord. This is my Discord group. This is my Discord group. This is the practice session that we did Saturday. I practice every Saturday with my students, and I put that Saturday practice in the Discord group so that you can watch it whenever you want to watch it. If you couldn't make it on a Saturday, here's a video of what we did Saturday so you can watch it later on. I don't add it to the course because I want the course to stay beginner's course. But anything that we learn outside of that I teach, I put that in the Discord group. That's why the Discord group is for members only, because I can't just let anybody join my Discord group and start learning this stuff for free and they ain't kick out no money. You know what I'm saying? So you get way more than what you paid for in my course. And that's what I always wanted to do. I always want to over deliver. I don't want to be like, oh, it's a $350 course. I'm just going to teach you $350 worth of knowledge. No, it's $350, but I'm going to teach you how to become a millionaire damn near. There's no salary cap. Once you learn how to trade, there's no cap to stop you about how much money you're making. You just got to stop being scared. You know what I'm saying? You just got to not be scared. That's all. And I show you how to use other people's money. I show you how to use a prop firm to learn how to trade and make real money. So you're not kicking out thousands of dollars, losing thousands of dollars of your own money. You're using a prop firm right now is an 80% sale. So you're paying $30 a month while you're learning. And then once you get that account approved, you no longer have to pay monthly. You could get you another account and start the process over. While you're making real money, you're getting another account. Once you get that account approved, now you have 2 accounts making money. You get a 3rd or 4th or 5th. You can have up to 20 of these things. I'm at 15 and I just got 16 today. Like, I'm very transparent. I mean, I ain't gonna show you my taxes and nothing like that, but I'll show you how much money I did per day. You know what I'm saying? I showed it earlier. This is what I did today. Mind you, the first four are eval. The first four are evaluations that I'm trying to pass. The rest of them are my PA accounts. The rest of them are real money accounts. Look, $32, $33, $36, $41, because those are brand new accounts. The 114, 120, 129, 218, they have a little more cushion so I could take a better trades. The 350, 385, 530, 7, those are much bigger accounts. I have a nice cushion. I got about a $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 cushion in some of those accounts, so I can trade bigger trades. So even me, someone that can get 2,800 in a day, I don't do that if I don't have to. I am very consistent with what I do. Is the reason why I move like that. Because with Apex, when you're borrowing someone's money to make money, there's rules that you have to follow. If you don't follow those rules, they will deny you a payout. It happens. So they have a 30% rule. Basically means whatever you're trying to withdraw, you can't make that money in one trade or one day. That's 30%. You couldn't have made 30% of that withdrawal in one trade. So that's why they have a 30% rule. You have to stick with that 30%, within that 30% every day. That way I don't have big trades where I make 10,000 one day and 200 the next day. I am very consistent. I make between $50 to $200 per account on the regular ones. The bigger ones, I do $250 to $500. If it's bigger than that, I do $500 to $1,000. I am very consistent with the way I trade because I do the numbers. I stay under my 30% rule, so I never have to worry about them denying a payout. You know, it's all about consistency, people. Everybody want to be rich overnight. If you want to be rich overnight, go take your ass over there and play the lottery, okay? The market is not there to make you rich overnight. I want you to take your time, build up that account. That way we can all be sitting here laughing at it, sitting there looking at the market. And what I tell y'all, look, didn't I tell y'all it's going to try to fill that gap? Look at it, almost to the top of the gap. I know what I'm doing. I know how to read this market. I told y'all the market is trying to fill that gap. Look at it. Look how big that gap was. The market hates gaps. Absolutely hates them. Look at this gap. Look, it filled, this is an old gap from back here. Look what happened. It filled it up and then came back down. The market hates gaps. It's going to fill the gap. And guess what? I teach you how to make money while it's trying to go up and fill that gap. I show you how to get to the bag. And then people will be like, oh, the market is not easy. The market is hard. You just hard-headed. That's why it's hard for you, because you hard-headed. My strategies are very simple. This is a zone. I teach my students how to find this zone right here. Look what happened when the market came down. It touched that zone. It was like, nah, it's too much heat down here. I'm getting up out of here. And it shot straight up. This one movement happened in 5 minutes. This happened in 5 minutes. $4,000. Have you ever made $4,000 in 5 minutes? I'm pretty sure you have not. Nothing wrong with that, but I can show you how to do it. I sure can. I can show you how to do it. I can definitely show you how to do it. How much? Look at the time. Look at the time. This was today. 10:07. 10:07 in the morning. I was done by 10:07 in the morning. This is the first one that I posted by 9:51. I'm gonna move it down for you. Let me move it down so you can see it. By 9:51 in the morning, I did all this already. And then I kept trading because I seen another opportunity. By 10:07, I was done in the market. You don't have to sit here forever, people. You don't have to sit here forever to make a lot of money. You just got to be patient, learn the strategies, learn discipline. And when you see a trade, you take a trade. Yeah, I teach you everything you need to learn to be consistent in this market. I teach you all that. I teach you how to read. Reading candles is step number one. Know how to read the candles is step number one. Because you can't be a successful trader if you don't know what the candles are telling you. I'll show you exactly what this candle tells me. I'll zoom in for you. I'll zoom in for you. Okay, in the market, the bottom right here, that white line is a wick. It's called a wick. The bottom of the wick is the low. That's the lowest that this candle went. The top of the wick is the high. That's the highest it went. For a red candle, the open of a red candle is right here. This is the open of the red candle. The red candle goes down. It closed right here. That is the closure of the red candle. So you got the open, the close, you got the high. So you got the high, put the H, you got the high right here. Excuse me, it's a little crazy. That's the high of the candle. This right here is the low of the candle. This right here is the open of a candle. This right here is the close of a candle. That's all the information you really need to know. Yeah, I know you can't see it. That's why I scribbled it on there. So up top is the high. The red candle opens up at the top. So that's the open. Where it closes at is the close. And the bottom of that wick is the low. That's the 4 parts of a candle. Every candle tells you a different story. Every candle tells you a different story. So right here, you see the high, you see the open, see the close, see the low. The low, because it's such a large wick, that tells me that there's a lot of heat down there. There's a lot of buyers. When you see this big old green candle right here? Look what happened when the market tried to get down there. It went down there, got smacked back up. Went down there, got smacked back up. Went down, got smacked back up. Went a little bit further down, got smacked back up. Because it's still a lot of buyers. That's why this green candle is so big, because there's a lot of buyers in this whole area. And every time the market tried to dip down there, it got smacked right back up. I'm telling you, it's easy to understand. People will be like, oh, the market is hard. No, it's not. You just hard-headed and you don't want to follow the rules. There are rules to the market. And trust me, the second you place a trade outside of the rules, you know it immediately. You know it as soon as you place that trade, you be like, man, why'd I take that trade? Because you know in your head, you broke a rule. You broke one of the rules of trading, and now you just at the mercy of whatever happens. You might do good. You might make money by breaking the rules. Don't get me wrong. But we base it on what's more consistent, not what's possible. I don't care about what's possible, right? I worry about what's probable. If you follow the rules, you're more probable to make a profit. Anything is possible. Can you become an astronaut? Is it possible to become an astronaut? Yes, we have them. We have astronauts. But is it probable? No. At our big age, we're not going to be no damn astronauts. So what's possible is not always what's probable. I showed you how to do what's probable, not what's possible. How long is the discount? I could change it at any time. I mean, right now it's $50 off of my course. So that brings the course down to $350. The normal price is, of course, $400. But now Apex has a sale that's going to end on the 5th. So Apex, you have until the 5th to be able to get that 80% off your Apex account. But I also accept Afterpay and Klarna. So if you get approved for Afterpay and Klarna, you can just pay monthly and you still get instant access to my course. You just have to pay monthly for it. And that's through Klarna. What's that noise? There's some noise. But yeah, let me see how long my discount goes for. I gotta find my course first. Oh, here's the course. Okay. And this is the course right here. I don't know if you can see it. See, this is the course, building your plan, risk management, and journaling. So I got you a nice little section about journaling and everything. So the course is very, very intuitive. Anything you want to know, building, practicing, seeking feedback and improvement, resources, ongoing learning, all types of stuff, final assessment. So I teach you a lot in here. Do I use, yeah, I use hotkeys when I'm marking up my charts. Oh, let me play. Now I got to check and see what current discount or how long the current discount is lasting. Hold on, I think all the coupons are over. Hold on. I said, yeah, so it says early is already in use. So yeah, you can use code early for the discount. It's still active. Yeah, so yeah, the discount's still good. Where do you get the Where'd you get the VPS? Oh, hold on, I'll show you. Actually, I'll put the link to the VPS in the course. I can do that for you. I'm gonna put the VPS. I'm gonna add this to the course now, so you can have access to it. Oh, that looks crazy. Hold on one second. Man is in there now. All right. So the VPS, if you go to my link tree, it literally says VPS under my link tree. Or if you want, you could go in the course. In the course, I added the link tree in there as well. I meant to do that anyway. I was just over here half stepping. So if you go to the course and go to bonus interview, the bonus interview section with bot trial and Discord link, I also put my link tree link in there as well. Oh, nice, Kyle. 44K. That's what's up. Let's give a cheer for that. In Jones, what's going on? Trading day was good. This is my trading day. This is my trading day right here. That's the final. By 10:07 in the morning, we was done. We were done by 10:07. Good money. Had lots of fun trading. Yeah, so it's called Ninja Mobile. That's a VPS. And if you need help download, because you have to re-download everything to your VPS. But there's a way you can save your settings in NinjaTrader, and then when you re-download NinjaTrader on your VPS, you can just reload NinjaTrader and all your settings will be there. So if you want, we can schedule a time where we could go Zoom and do that. Yeah, Kyle, man, it's just be trying to get money. That's all. We were trying to get in there and get out of there. I try not to sit in the trade too long. I was trying to see if the market was going to get up out of this gap area. It's trying though. It's trying. Yeah, but I'm actually about to slide up out of here, guys, because I do got to go pick up my little man at 3. Oh, you kind of like the swing. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I do swing trading here and there, just not too much. Because I think I just like the adrenaline rush of trading, back to back or in the moment. That's just how I am. If you just have a couple accounts, I will start with a medium. And then as you get more evals, you can switch to the high. So you go up, the more accounts that you get, then you can move up as you feel fit. Marvin, what's going on? Yeah, man. Yeah, I got to go pick little man up at 3. You know what I'm saying? Or around 3, because he don't like being there too long. No problem, Jeanette. But yeah, if you want to get the VPS, just let me know, and we'll schedule a time where we can sit down and get it all downloaded and set up and remote desktop connected. It won't take long because I've done it so many times. It won't take long at all. All right. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. It is almost 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna go get my little man and hang out for a little bit. All right. I might go live later on today. I might go live tonight. I don't know. But I'll see you guys later.